Everyone gets a lack of motivation from time to time. When this happens, you might feel tired or even unable to find the usual interest in the things you typically enjoy. It is normal to sometimes feel down, especially if you're taking on more responsibility or dealing with personal issues. These moments won't last and usually do not signify a serious health problem. You know you need a break when you become tense and tired. Sometimes these feelings can actually be symptoms of other problems like depression or a type of mood disorder. If you find yourself losing interest in the things you usually enjoy or feel a general apathetic lifestyle, then speak with your doctor because this could be a sign of depression. This might seem like a fluently temporary state of mind, but there are ways to make yourself feel better and get back your motivation. Hello. Welcome to our channel. If you want more videos that will help you improve your mental health and live a better life. To make sure you don't miss any of them, please subscribe to our channel, hit the like and notification button. 1. Take a break. If you're feeling like you can't bring yourself to do anything and exhaustion sets in, it could be a sign that you're stressed or burnt out. It might be time to take some time for yourself and reanimate your mind with some personal TLC. Unplug to do some activities that helps you recharge and feel good again. Don't worry about the unrealistic expectations of what you think you should accomplish. This week, find time for napping and cozy time with a book. The key is to have these activities as breaks from the stress and let your body relax. 2. Treat yourself kindly. Self-compassion means not only being nice to yourself, but also understanding that your experiences are variable, and being mindful of your own emotions, the good and the bad. If you wish to improve the way you feel, it's no secret that self-compassion is key. The research highlighted in this video has found that when people show themselves some compassion and consideration, they experience psychological benefits. Now, if you're ever feeling frustrated or like you don't want to do anything at all, remember to give yourself some space. Accept the fact that this is a natural state of mind and it doesn't make you any less worthy of happiness. 3. Go for a walk. Why not get some fresh air and exercise at the same time? Exercise, especially walking, can alleviate depression and help you feel better in general. Studies show that people who spend time outdoors also reap physical benefits like improved mental health and well-being. One study found that contact with nature was linked to better mood, more positive social interactions, and increased happiness. A recent study has shown that walking even just a short distance can help increase your mood and motivation. Participants who walked for 20 to 30 minutes a day for 3 months straight showed an increase in cognitive function, brain health, and body strength. 4. Talk to someone. If you're feeling uninspired, it's time to reach out. Think about who can offer the best support during tough times and contact them soon. There are so many people out there who might be able to relate with what you're thinking and feeling right now. Do you want someone who can provide emotional support, or do you need a reminder that it's possible to let go? If you aren't in the mood to see a friend or they're unavailable, sometimes just leaving your home and being around other people can help. 5. Plan something. You don't need to feel like you have the motivation available right now. All you need to do is start making plans for what you are interested in doing in the future. If you're feeling unmotivated to do something, use mental imagery. Like when you're taking a long walk that doesn't seem so fun, imagining what it'll be like when you get home will help keep your momentum. One way to stay motivated is to plan something like a vacation or another activity that you have been looking forward to. You could also get excited about the future by doing things like visualizing the outcome and planning out some of your next steps. 6. Start small. There are many small things you can do to get started on your next big project. Take a few minutes and make a list of what needs to be done. Then, break the tasks down into chunks and set a timer for 25 minutes. After the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break, then get back to work. Instead of getting stressed out by the huge list of tasks that you don't feel up to tackling, simplify things by figuring out a small thing you can do and just do it. Doing chores can be boring, but even the easiest tasks can feel overwhelming if you let them pile up. The simplest thing to do is usually flipping through one page of a book, playing solitaire, or doing a quick task such as putting plates away. Once you get done with one task, don't move on to your next one yet. Pause and take a few deep breaths. If you find yourself overwhelmed by feelings of anxiety when it comes to chores, try finding calming music or using binaural beats to create a more relaxed state of mind. 7. Write in a journal. Journaling and other forms of self-expression are amazing ways to chill out and keep your head on straight. You might find it helpful to take some time to journal about what is bothering you, perhaps after a difficult day at work or in the evening before bed. Many people do expressive writing as a form of therapy. Studies have shown that it can lower blood pressure, relieve anxiety, and reduce depression. Journaling can be a great way to look back and think about what's been going on. You may also feel better and more in control after exploring your emotions and thoughts. There are many strategies to reignite your motivation, and these are just a few of them. When you don't feel like doing anything, consider reading a book or listen to an audiobook, cooking or ordering your favorite meal, practicing deep breathing. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like and notification button. Don't hesitate to share this video to everyone you love and care about. Goodbye. We will see you in the next video. Stay healthy and we will help you take care of yourself.